What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out Bamboo Bungalows in Kampot. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Make people live through, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Okay, so walking through the front entrance, this is what it looks like. There's a big, tall building on the right before you get to any bungalows. It's like a small apartment complex. And it looks like a lot of the staff maybe live in there. And this resort, it's on the opposite side of the river compared to the downtown of Kampot. But there's a big bridge going across, and we're very close to the bridge. So when I order a tuk-tuk, it's just a few hundred meters, and then it can go over the bridge. So we're not, even though we're on the other side, we're very close to access the bridge. Okay, let's keep going in deeper. So there's these type of bungalows too. This is like, I guess they'd be the more garden view, right? Because the river is still a little bit further down, straight down that way. Okay. Almost got run over. It's early in the morning. I noticed at sunrise and sunset that the insect noise really comes out a lot. And for these bungalows, you know, the prices are always fluctuating, just like hotels and everything with the season and how busy. But these garden ones would be about maybe $22 a night, approximately. And then they have some right on the river, which is what I'm staying in, and it's about maybe $27 or $30 a night. Plenty of space to park motorbikes, and also where we started the video, there's parking. So the front bar is like the lobby too, and this is where you check in. We can see over here another bridge going across with train tracks. You can sometimes see a very old Cambodian train like going by. I've seen it maybe 2 times since I've been here already. They've got a restaurant right here too, and I'm thinking after we look at the room, we can maybe see what the menu looks like for breakfast. Okay, let's check out the room. Great balcony. You can sit out here and you can see local fishermen come by in a boat, and they're dropping little nets into the water. And really cool. Right in front of here, he was doing it last night, and then they come back later and collect them again. And you'll notice, even though it's a hut on the river, it's totally sealed, so they're able to have air conditioning inside. I've stayed in similar styles to this, and it's more like a straw house open to the outside. You can't have AC, but this is sealed, has AC. There's an example of you know, a different style of straw hut building that this would not have AC over there. Alright, so that was my bungalow. Now there's 3 of them here on the river, and then the rest are all what we walked by over there. Let's check out what they've got on the menu for breakfast. So they have a few menus here. There's Asian food. It's more for lunch and dinner. Everything's about $3 or $3 to $5. Here's the breakfast menu. I'm gonna get this one. And out here you can see the hut I'm staying in from over here. Yeah. Alright, so it was a great breakfast. Couldn't even eat all of it. Now we're back out to the main entrance / parking lot, and coming out to the road here you can see the outline of the mountains in the background. It's so beautiful. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.